Hi, and welcome to a very quick explanation of how to find relative location. Remember, location is one of the 5 themes of geography, and relative location, together with absolute location, is one of the 2 types of location. And when we talk about relative location, we are always describing things in relation to other places. So it's not, we're not talking longitude and latitude here, we're talking usually north, south, east, west, northeast, etc., etc. So we start with a compass rose. As with most compass roses, and this one, north is to the top of the map, south is to the bottom of the map, east is to the right of the map, and west is to the left. So really, in your head, you can almost substitute east for right and west for left. Now again, this won't always be the case with all maps, but in this case, and in most cases, it will be. So let's talk about the relationship between Europe and Africa. We would say Europe is to the north of Africa, because we would also say Europe is above Africa, looking at this map. How about North America and the Atlantic Ocean? We would say North America is to the west of the Atlantic Ocean, and the Atlantic Ocean is to the east of North America. Remember, east can substitute for, say, the word right. So the Atlantic Ocean is right of North America, Atlantic Ocean is east of North America. Let's take a look at Brazil right here. Brazil is south of Venezuela. Here's Venezuela. So we say Brazil is south of Venezuela. Venezuela is north of Brazil. How about Peru? Peru is right here. So we would say Peru is to the left of Brazil, so it's to the west of Brazil. And Brazil is to the right of Peru, so Brazil is to the east of Peru. This is not tough stuff. Let's take a look at South Africa right here and the Atlantic Ocean. You could say that South Africa is to the east of the Atlantic Ocean because it's to the right of the Atlantic Ocean, with Australia and the Indian Ocean. The Indian Ocean is to the left of Australia, so it's to the west of Australia. Thinking of northeast, southeast, etc. We can be more exact if we go beyond the 4 cardinal directions, north, south, east, west, and talk about the 4 intermediate directions, northeast, southeast, southwest, and northwest. So, if we want to talk about the relationship between Spain, right here, and France, right here, we could say that France is to the northeast of Spain. France is to the northeast of Spain because it's to the upper right of Spain on this map. If we wanted to talk about the relationship of Iran right here and Saudi Arabia right here, we could say that Saudi Arabia is to the southwest of Iran because it's to the bottom left of Iran. If we wanted to talk about the relationship of, say, Alaska and Canada, we could easily say Alaska is to the northwest of Canada because it's to the upper left. Now, I don't think I need to go on much beyond this. I think you've probably, hopefully, fingers crossed, got this. All right, see you in class.